we like to talk about smart contracts. And on the other hand, on the other end of a smart contract violation is sometimes jail. The community is broad. So there are some people who refuse DeFi, or there are some people who are DeFi maximalists. And then there are some people who are in between. So like, how do you make it more resilient is number one, you have to do compliance. That's going to eventually come. And that means KYC. And that means, on the other hand, it also means coherent legislation, which the US just has not put forward any to date. And then it also means better validation and more democratic access to validating node services.